Hi y'all. This is one of the places I've spent a lot of time and I'm going to miss a lot when I move. This is Buns, the bunny shelter. Buns stands for Bunnies Urgently Needing Shelter. And this is where they come at night, or some that need a little extra work. Hey baby, Miss Frisbee likes attention. Excuse me, I like to work with the difficult bunnies. This is the Christmas bunnies. I don't see any, they're hiding. There were 21 when they came in at Christmas quite a few years ago. They're down to 3. And there's a bunny hiding there. And of course, squeak, 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 squeak. We have the squeaks. The guinea pigs. I love the guinea pigs. Okay, you may hear dogs barking. But anyway, this is Bucky. And there's a little target around his eye. Isn't that cute? And Basil is hiding somewhere in there, the guinea pig. There's bunnies. And we have a part that's off limits to the public. Look at these little fluff balls. They're not available to adopt yet, but look at the guys. Look at those faces. They're so cute. And Birch wanted to make sure we noticed him. Hey, Birch. Yes, you're a baby. Yes, Birdie. We love you too. And here's some more floofs. Check out these floofs. Look at the floofs. Hey, floof. There's a face in there somewhere. Hey. Want to say hi? These are young. They're not available for adoption yet. And here's some more youngsters that aren't available. They're waiting for their spay and neuters. Oh, the other one, yes. Right there. Are you being shy? Why are you being shy? This is a lop. See the floppy ears? That's a lop. Yeah. So the way to greet a bunny is you make a little bunny head with your fist. And they either say, no, forget it. Or you see how he's put his head down, or her head down, her head. She says, you may pet me. And bunnies purr just like cats. Yeah. And this is the type of pets bunnies prefer. Nose rubs in between the ears. You see she's got her head down. That means she's happy. Yes. A sweet bunny. Thank you. You say hi? Bunnies love cameras for some reason. And usually they're irresistible. There we go. Yeah. Bunnies always have to check out the camera. Oh, you rubbed on it. You like the camera. And if I had a stick, I'd offer you a stick. But I don't have a stick. The presentation of the stick is very important in bunny world. It's a hot day, and bunnies don't like the heat, so a lot of them are just chilling and hiding in the shade. Oh, look at the babies. Look at that. This is, oh, and they're not available yet either. More youngsters probably. We gotta get a good shot of you guys. Oh, there's a guinea pig. Squeak, squeak. Just look at those guys. Aren't they the cutest? Wanna say hi? Look at those whiskers. What happened to your whiskers? And look, there's more floofs. I've never seen so many floofs. And there's a happy bunny. Hi, happy bunny. Oh, two happy bunnies. And there's a guinea pig in the laundry basket. Chilling. Hi, happy bunny. Hi. And more bunnies. And more bunnies waiting for their chance to go out. Hi. Yes, you're cute. And you're cute. Look at the sweet faces. Hi, Quinn, and another floof. This is the most floofs I've seen. And look at you. Somebody's got an adoption hold on you. And Marissa is a little shy. Let me see if I can get Marissa to say hi. Hi, Marissa. You say hi? It's okay. The bunnies thump their feet when they're unhappy to warn you to back off. She hasn't thumped yet, but that would come soon if I... Oh, that was a thump. That was a thump. Okay, we'll leave you alone, baby. When they're excited, they run and they jump and they kick their back feet up in the air. And it's pretty cool. Huh. Catherine's more friendly. Hi. And let's see that little chubby neck? That's a dewlap. Dewlaps are cute. Huh. You got a big dewlap. Yeah, she was friendly with the door closed. See the fist? And she says, no. I'm too scared. And say hi to the camera? Not on the camera? Oh, yeah, that's what I thought. Cameras are cool. Oh, but I got a thump. That says back off. Okay, we'll back off. So, that's Buns. We love Buns and the bunnies. We're gonna miss it. So, this was the visit to Buns and with the guinea pigs. Squeak, 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 squeak. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you're in Santa Barbara, come by Buns. Say hi to the bunnies. Maybe give them a treat. They usually have veggies they can give. Yes. Look at those ears. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Bye.